is your T-Bird? Sweet.
Thank you. Thank you.
Me and my wife over there,
Yeah.
we have a YouTube channel. And every show we go to, we do a 360 around our favorite car.
No, good.
And I love your car just because it's got aluminum slots.
I love them things. Those were
So
on
do
there. Check it out. Those were on there when Dad had it.
What can you tell us about this thing?
This car?
Yeah.
Dad bought it in '63. It was about 8 different colors. And he made it a drag car. He had it in his 20s, drove it around New Philly, Dover area, back end. That was his weekend car, drag car. Stayed in the family. Stayed in the family, has been in it ever since. Sat in the barn for about 22 years. Took me about a year, cleaned it up. Still the same way it was when he had it. I didn't change nothing. Drum brakes.
It's beautiful.
312, 411s, 3-speed. So I didn't change anything. I just took the brakes apart, put them back together, and put some new fuel lines and whatnot. But didn't really do that much stuff. Just a lot of cleaning. This is the original option. This was down in the corner of the trunk. It's tonneau covered. It's actually the first time I've had it on. I had a car show. Different.
Now, do you have a top for it?
Yeah. With the white top with the portal. But it's too nice to have a top on a convertible.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Thank you.